coolest thing today was being able to meet Paula and learn all of these new things.
Happy birthday!
The same energy of being in a group that will create excitement.
Group's idea, I don't have my phone in now, but our group's idea is we notice that when you go to poor communities here in the Philippines, one thing that you notice is that none of them are wearing glasses. But when you look around here in this plenary hall, you see a lot of people wearing glasses. So I think one of the ideas that we have is to have for the poor schools to have a farm vision
Test.
thing, for
Assessment,
glasses. Because we think that our idea is that we recycle the lens of old glasses, because usually when people have new frames, they just keep it in their in their drawers or in their so they can recycle those glasses, and we can have cheap eye tests for those in the poor schools, and we can recycle those frames, or we can have so we can distribute them.
Nice.
But the problem with disposed waste often ending up in waterways and eventually the ocean. This issue aligns closely with SDG 14, Life Below Water, which aims to reduce marine pollution and protect aquatic ecosystems. By implementing plastic segregation and collection yards, we can address the problem at its source and prevent waste from entering rivers and seas. Through consistent community and action, we can contribute to cleaner oceans and a more sustainable environment for future generations.
Sustainable communities, because extreme heat in the Philippines is no longer just uncomfortable, it is also dangerous. Every year, rising temperatures put students in overheated classrooms, families in poorly ventilated homes, and workers at risk of heat-related illness. This matters to me because of the most vulnerable communities suffers the most. I propose an installing heat-reflected cool roofs in public schools and low-income housing. I believe this can create a world where Filipino communities are cooler, healthier, and able to thrive despite climate change for the present and the future.
So a problem more specifically that we want to focus on is commodity driving, which is basically like irresponsible driving. So commodity driving is a serious safety problem in our community caused by risky habits that we travel normal. As students, we can address this through zero-cost solutions like using social media, road safety content, and small community actions that help promote responsible driving. Now, this project supports SDG 3 with help to well-being because it specifically reduces road accident injuries and deaths by encouraging safer driving behavior one decision at a time. Because social media is something that many people use, something that can help connect with many people, which is why it's a very good tool to help. And that's why I believe we can help create a Philippines that is much safer and much more comfortable for everyone. Coming in and coming out.